What's up, guys? This is Rocky. I'm trying to kill someone, but they won't die. I'm gonna show you right now. Now on the bottom screen, and it doesn't work. And look at this. Look at this. Look what I'm gonna do, and it's not gonna work. Where is it? Alright, it's over there. Watch this. I'm gonna die though. Boom! He don't die. Boom! He don't die. Two of them, he still doesn't die. But after this one, and then if I just keep shooting him and I just like having fun with the gunships, yeah. I just shoot around with them. I don't really care. I'd rather get scrapped down right now. Oops. Alright, see, I died. Look at this. One sec, guys. I gotta put the camera down. I'm really sorry about that. Move these stupid. Whatever this fucking monkey. One sec, let me get my box removed. Now look at this. Look at the top screen. Look how fast I'm running. Woo! I wasn't even shooting him. You get 1,000 points. See, look how fast I can run. You know what? I'm gonna see something. I don't like dogs. I want to see something up here. This is a light gun. Oh, dang. Can't. I'm going to try something. I'm going to try getting up. Watch this. I don't care if I win. Gotta do something. I'm just going to put me in it. I'm going to be showing you how to do this stuff. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Look, see? You can change the name. Yep. Now watch this, guys. Watch this. Watch. It was about, I don't know, 2 in the morning. Yeah, 2 in the morning. See? Go fast and running. The screen. The python. I'm gonna be shooting off all the heads. When it's 5 minutes, I'm gonna stop this video. Haha. Look at this. It can bounce a lot. It shoots really hard, so like. See, I have unlimited tomahawk. Nah, I'm joking. I don't have unlimited. But look at this guy. See? Here, not exactly a 5 minute, but look at this, guys. Oh, dang. Can I do it over here? Nope. Alright, see this window? See, I just dived out of the window. Now look at this. Fully comes off when you throw a flash beam. Try to get all the exactly clear. The window's actually off. No glass, no nothing. I want to see. Dang, you know, I'm going to show you how to get up there though. Watch this, guys. Fine, please. Was that just a guy? Oh, no. It's gone. It was right here. How is it gone? It didn't leave me. I can just run around Newtown. If I was doing a large match, I still could run around it. Probably took me 30 seconds. A large match on Newtown, 10 seconds. I'm gonna get this head like 4 rounds. Okay, it popped off. Watch this, watch this. Okay, do you want to have sex? Now! Ah, that's it. The penis is good. Oh no, my penis hurt now. Goodbye. Your head fell off. How about you? Nope. Bye. You? Nah, you look stupid. You? Oh, you're in the corner. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, bye. I don't like you. See, look at your head, it's right there. You don't have a head anymore. 8 minutes, I'm stopping. Yeah, that's what you get, ma'am. Nah, I'll stab your head off. Dude, I'm stabbing your head. What are you doing getting into your car? It doesn't even have a window. Well, yeah, it does, but I broke it. Oh, don't make me shoot your head off. Oh, no, you don't talk English like me. Hey, look, I'm on top of his head. Oh, dang. Ah! Yeah, you better pay the electric bill. I'll fix it for you. Oh, nice head. You want me to knife it off for you? Sure. This video will stop at 10 minutes, probably. Look at this, guys. Ow! Oh, reaching to. Oh yeah, my lady. Hey, I shot you. Look at this, guys. Dude, I'm shooting his head. Oh, that's his name. Shot his nose. His head went on. Yeah, put it under there. Put it out of the mail. Nice head. Oh, perfect with one bullet. Watch. That is like something that's like glass. I want to see something up here. Oh. Hey, what's up, yo? Yeah, you want to go to the club with me now? I said never! What are you looking at? Oh, hey, you want to hold my gun? Sure. Yeah, you want to hold my gun?